Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadil Hasib. The Atlantic Mudra was partly found in the Gulf of Guinea during the 15th century, thanks to the daring Portuguese explorers who traversed the Western African tract. The region surrounding the Gulf of Guinea then has developed in a product-rich area in recent years, attacking several European nations. Situated 480 km north of the equator, one landless, the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, the Ivory Coast spans 332,463 km in the west and borders Guinea and Liberia to the west, Mali and Burkina to the north, and Ghana to the east. It is completely surrounded by the Gulf of Guinea to the south. The new capital city since 1984 is Yamoussoukro. Abidjan, the fourth capital and largest city as well as the primary port of Cote d'Ivoire, is being replaced by Quetta, the new capital. Although Cote d'Ivoire has a tropical climate overall, the region variant. The south is hot and muggy with most wetland. The temperature falls to between 22 and 22, with an annual rainfall of almost 200 230. There are two distinct rain seasons in the south, with so many grasslands. The north expresses one the wet season, with a maximum length of 800. The Kefali, Sassandra, Bandama, and Como are physical rivers of Cote d'Ivoire. The are empty in the Gulf of Guinea. The fall of north to south. Not a single river can be served further than 130 km. I went to the shallow and swift water in the river. Cote d'Ivoire using freeze in its office, government, building, and education institution of several tribes that make up Cote d'Ivoire speak distinct languages. The Pairing people Lego and the Four people Lego are two of its linguistic groups. The Den Guro inhabit in the western region near the Man Plateau. The Kru live in the southwest woodland, and other tribal groups live along the southeast coastal lagoon. The central region, woodland and savannas are home to Anyibolo people. In 1958, the French social recognized Cote d'Ivoire as a republic with autonomy, a full independence was achieved by Cote d'Ivoire in 1916. Cote d'Ivoire's president was Félix Houphouët-Boigny, a pioneer in the independence movement. Following independence, the country held its first legislative election in 1913. Cote d'Ivoire emerged as the most prosperous nation in the tropical Africa following its recovery from the early 1908 economic crisis. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sahara. The Sahara was originally referred to as El Kila, the void, barren land, level and waterless region, which very few caravan leaders are aware of. The Sahara was formerly an extremely productive region. Plants support the enormous region and genus of animals traverse this land. Water sources that emerge high in the fissure of the mountains spill into rivers, which can irrigate vast tracts of land. There is life in this river. Fish spears and other man-made items, along with fossilized plants and animals, demonstrate that the Sahara was once a prosperous region. Natural force sculpted the landscape over millions of years, crushing steep mountains and pulverizing jagged rocks into tiny sand grains. Water vapor carrying winds shift and the region gets drier. The Sahara is the largest desert in the world. This area covers an area of 7 million kilometers square, about one and a half the size of Africa, and stretch across the northern part of the continent from the Atlantic Ocean into the Red Sea, Algeria, Tunisia, and Morocco. The desert reached the Western Sahara, Sudan, Senegal, Chad, Niger, Libya, and Tunisia. Thousands of years ago, Negroids from Sudan moved north into the Sahara. Soon the Berbers followed them, and after the Berber tribes, the Arabs came from the north to this region. These three groups were the ancestors of the present-day inhabitants of the Sahara. The population of the Sahara is not precisely known. Roughly one-third of them are thought to be part nomads and nomads themselves, who go farther and farther in quest of rich terrain where they can find food and water. The remaining two-thirds made their home in the oases that dot the desert. Great oases include Tawat, Biskra, Togourt, Ouargla, and Karga in Algeria, also Kufra, Gad, and Gadames in Libya. And for the economy of Sahara, agriculture, local trade, and grazing have become the basic economies of the Sahara. Exploration in the late 1950s has uncovered important deposits of oil, gas, iron, copper, and manganese. This source indicates that the ancient land that has been considered barren turns out to have a hopeful future.
Ghana is referred to be the land of festivals. Ghanaians congregate to commemorate significant historical occurrences, spectacular military triumphs, the start of harvest season, and food shortage in both the biggest cities and the most rural communities. The sound of drumming and dancing adds color to every celebration. The Republic of Ghana was made up of the British Togoland Trust Territory, the Inland Protectorate of Ashanti and the Northern Territories, and the Gold Coast, a former British colony. The total area of the nation is 238.537 km persegi. Ghana is a country Western Africa that borders Burkina to the north, Togo to the east, and Cote d'Ivoire to the west. It is situated in the Gulf of Guinea. Ghana's capital and largest city, Accra, is situated on the Gulf of Guinea coast. Accra has grown from a sleepy provincial city to a bustling metropolis and economic hub in the last 30 years.
There are a lot of contemporary structure, including hotels, museums, apartments, and buildings owned by companies and the government. The primary draw of Accra is Christiansborg Castle, which serves as the official residence of the Ghanaian government, situated on the site of the first Portuguese trading port founded in 1578. The castle is a majestic white structure that winds over the landscape. It was constructed in 1657. Very little is known about the prehistoric period of the area now called Ghana. Varicose tools, farming tools, weapons, pottery, and pottery fragments have been found, but they are not enough to reveal much to historians about the people who lived in this area of Africa in ancient times. Beginning in the early 13th century and continuing into the mid 1600, several mobile groups established a number of small kingdoms in what is now Ghana. Most of these groups originally came from the African region west of Sudan. They speak the same language, the Akan language, and live in the wilderness of Ghana. In 1695, the Ashanti kingdoms united most of these groups into a powerful state.
Mozambique. On a map, Mozambique resembles the letter Y that branches off below the branching letter Y and extends from the sea to the heart of Africa along the Zambezi River. The area of the nation is 801,590 square kilometers. Between South Africa to the southwest, Zimbabwe to the west, Zambia and Malawi to the northwest, Tanzania to the north, and the Indian Ocean to the east. Mozambique is a country on Africa's southeast coast. Two distinct seasons, the warm rainy season October to March and the chilly dry season April to September, define Mozambique's climate. Numerous coal mines can be found in the highlands, while significant natural gas quantities have been found offshore. Wood is abundant in the nation. African teak, African sandalwood, ironwood, ebony, and mahogany are a few of the woods with commercial worth. Many thousands of animals, including bulls, lions, and elephants, wander freely in Gorongosa National Sanctuary. At the southernmost point of the nation is the elegant and sophisticated capital city of Maputo. Maputo is developing into an industrial hub and a railway hub serving the core of the economy of southern Africa. Maputo is a home to Mozambique's first oil refinery. Africans make up the majority of the population of Mozambique, primarily those descended from Bantu tribes. A considerable number of European settlers, Asians, and people of mixed blood also make up its population. In Mozambique, there are 30 million people living. Traditional faiths, Protestantism, and Catholicism are the three primary religions practiced in Mozambique. However, the people who live in the northern area converted to Islam. The primary source of income is the export of a variety of agricultural goods, including cotton, sugar, cashew, coconut, rock leftovers, and tea. The world's largest producer of cashew seeds is Mozambique. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, found several Arab communities around Africa's Indian Ocean coast during his first expedition to India in 1497 until 1498. The route used for the gold trade between Africa and India was under Arab control for centuries. Sofala, which is close to the Beira, which is currently the hub of commerce. The Portuguese began adjusting their style of colonialism in the 1960s in an effort to appease the restless Africans. The Mozambican Liberation Front, also known as Frelimo, began an armed insurrection against Portuguese control in 1964. As the movement gained momentum, more and more people joined it each year. Since gaining independence, the Mozambican National Resistance Movement, a rebel organization, has been harassing the Frelimo administration as a result of Mozambique's backing for the South African rebels. South Africa, who had also launched a frontal attack on the country, backed this movement. In March 1984, a peace deal was signed between South Africa and Mozambique. That's all. Thank you.
An empire was founded about 400 years ago, and it grew to be the biggest empire in that region of Africa. Crossing the river, the so-called Kingdom of the Congo extends into Angola. The kingdom reaches its zenith in the 16th century, but political, economic, and Europe intervention caused it to split and eventually vanish in the 17th century. Following his forced resignation in 1963, Fulbert Yolo became the first Congolese president. He was succeeded by Alphonse Massamba Debat, who instituted a regime akin to that of a communist. The total area of Congo is 132.047 square miles. Brazzaville, the capital of Congo, is 38 square miles in size. The population of Brazzaville is 1.9 million. Despite producing a lot of natural resources, the Congo's principal exports are petroleum, sugar, cocoa, plywood, and timber. In the Congo, tapioca, rice, corn, and sugar are the most common plants planted. There are over 10,000 distinct tropical plant species that may be found in the Republic of the Congo. These species are widely distributed and thrive everywhere. The Central African Franc, CAF, is the Republic of the Congo's national currency. The official language of the Congo is French. A few other languages, like Lingala and Monokutuba, are also very well liked. The Congolese jungle, the second biggest rainforest in the world, is called Basin. It reaches Gabon, Cameroon, Khatulistiwa Guinea, and the Central African Republic far beyond the boundary with the Congo. Every year, the month of March through June marks the beginning of Congo's rainy season. The climate in the area is tropical. The Democratic Republic of the Congo shares borders with Gabon, Angola, the Central African Republic, and Cameroon.